the bottom one is off.
I like the light. The light is observed working.
Okay. Alright. We are installing this ambient light. There are two kinds of ambient lights. One like this. It comes with plastic that wedges in between the panel. And this. The other one is just the white roll. The white roll obviously are more flexible, so if you have to go a lot of corners, like these here, this kind, it cannot bend too much. So if you have a sharp corners like this, you may want to go with the roll kind than plastic. But these plastic ones are more brighter than the roll, because the roll one, I guess they use a less bright LED lights. They're all using same kind of concept. They have these. The one with the roll, they have a one LED diode shining through the fiberglass rod. Versus this is actual light strip, so they are brighter than the roll kind. But same token, when you try to bend it, I mean, one's like this, straight line, a little bit of curve, it's not too bad. And you have a little bit of a gap there because it cannot be bent too much. Versus the roll, you can shove it in as much as you want, but they are not as bright as these. But as far as the color changing, flashing patterns, or Bluetooth app, they are the same. So you can use either cell phone to control colors, or you can use a remote control. We are also doing under the dash, under the seat LED strips. They are also controlled by the either Bluetooth or the remote control.
Pon el modo que va así. Hay uno que tiene una línea.